Hey, so this is an impromptu video where I don't have anything planned. I don't have anything probably useful to say. I just want to say thank you for 1,000 subscribers. I wanted to make a video to thank everyone who likes the videos, who watches, who's subscribed, who likes what I do and appreciates what I do. Today is also my 29th birthday. It has been a long day. Thank you to everyone who messaged me happy birthday and to everyone who, dropped me a DM or replied to my stories or just said anything. Thank you. If you told me a year ago I'd be where I am right now, I'd probably say that you were lying. I feel like it's important to look back on the year and look back at all the things you've done and all the achievements, if you want to call them achievements, that happened. It's important to reflect, not just as an artist or whatever occupation you do, but as a person, reflect on all the things you've done and everything you've overcame. The past year has been not the easiest when it comes to either uh, growing my YouTube channel or making videos or making short form content or trying to grow my social media accounts to get more reach or I don't know, just going out and taking photos in a nutshell. It hasn't been the easiest of years, it's been pretty tough. There's always a lot of pressure when it comes to managing your own accounts and basically you're a whole business. You're trying to find gigs to do photography or videography or work on your own personal projects, or you want to you know pursue other things. There's a lot going on at the same time, and at the same time you have to be your own accountant and be your own manager and be your own creative director. It's a lot. The people you see who do YouTube full time, you don't understand that it's not just about making a video, posting it, getting the monetization money, and moving on with your life. There's a lot of hard work, there's a lot of planning, and it's super important to surround yourself with people who understand and people who will help push you to the next step. And I feel like in the past year, I've met several people here, whether in the photography community or not in the photography community, who have been very supportive and very helpful. Um, whether it was my own mom or dad or my own sister. To everyone who messaged me today, happy birthday. And thank you again for 1,000 subscribers. I never in my life thought that there would be 1,000 people who actually care about the videos that I'm making or enjoy the videos that I'm making. I never found myself to be entertaining on camera. Yeah, and that is it. That's pretty much it. When it comes to photography, I'm gonna be making more videos. I'm probably also gonna review more gear if you guys would like to see that. And yeah, if there is one thing that I can talk about when it comes to photography, whether you're a photographer or a videographer, I'm always humbled when someone says that they really like my stuff. I don't know how to react. I don't know how to take compliments. I just say thank you and usually just move on. But genuinely, thank you to everyone who likes, follows, or just appreciates the work. If you're a photographer yourself or a content creator or whatever you do in any work in your life, if you feel that you're not appreciated or some people don't really care about what you do, then know that there is always someone who does care and someone who will support you. And yeah, that's it. Thank you from the both of us. Say thank you. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.